Salad is not just salad, especially in winter, because the varieties we grow are so powerful in flavour, you really need to know what to do with them. That's today's veg hack, the perfect winter salad. Yum, 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 says the rabbit. A great salad now is all about balancing flavour, colour and textures. Now these are dandelion leaves. Now like a lot of our winter salad leaves, they tend to be a little bit on the bitter side, so you really need to balance it quite carefully with something a bit sweeter. But dandelion, most gardeners spend most of the year trying to get rid of the little buggers, but they're absolutely delicious. The leaves, they're pretty bitter, they've got like a really nice, fresh sort of taste to them, and especially paired with something a bit sweeter are absolutely delicious. Now this isn't sweet at all. I don't know if you've ever tried this because it's a bit weird, but this is mustard leaf, and look how beautiful it is, especially in February here. Not a lot is growing, but to have something this colourful in the ground really sort of livens up your plate. And like its name, mustard, it tastes just like mustard. No, it really is sharp, and you don't really want to have too much of it, so you really need to be careful how much you put this in. It literally will clear your sinuses out in one bite. Right, now look at the colour of these. It absolutely blows my mind how pretty salad can be. Look at these green and purple leaves. Now this, contrary to what I just said about, oh, little slug, he's not welcome. You've got to be careful when you're munching on the salad leaves in the garden, not to get a bit of a protein hit by accident. Anyway, these are delicious. These can make the backbone of your salad because they're soft, they're sweet, they've got a lovely texture and a lovely taste. So this sort of balances out the pepperiness and the bitterness of the dandelion and the mustard. So we're going to pick an absolute ton of this and go and make some salads. Right, like the leaves we picked from the polytunnel, our salad packs are perfect balance. The textures, the colours and the flavours all perfectly balanced. But to make these really sing, you need an awesome dressing. So I'm going to show you a quick one now and a lovely method of making salad dressings. For years, I would just do the same salad dressing, just the classic 3-to-1 oil to vinegar, and that was good, and that is delicious. I'm not knocking that. There's a whole world of salad dressings out there which help you transform something which can be quite like a mundane and ordinary little side to your dinner into something that sings and is really vibrant. Right, this is a lovely one, and this is actually something which you'll probably have all the ingredients in your house without even thinking. So like I said, right, the classic combination is just 3-to-1, something vinegary, something acidic to the oil, and then you can flavour it what you want. So I'm going to put roughly, well, I'm going to squeeze a lot of orange in there, see how much we've got, and then I'm going to make as much as we've got. Look at that. With salad dressings, because it is just raw ingredients, you really want to get the best stuff you can get. So splash out. One sort of ingredient which you use every day in the kitchen is olive oil. So do you know what? Just sell the kids' toys, remortgage the house, and get the best olive oil you can afford. Oh, yeah. So that's probably 2 to 3 times the amount of olive oil to orange juice. And then something really fiery to kick it off. You see, we're just balancing the absolute classic flavours. So we've got the fatty oil, we've got the acidic orange juice, we've got like the peppery, fiery mustard. Now this is actually really strong. So let's go steady. That's probs enough. And then some real good honey. All right, lovely. And a lot of people forget you've got to season your salad dressing just like you would with everything else. And I think if you're making a dressing, so you're only putting a little bit on something which needs kind of a bit of a pack of flavour, I tend to put loads and loads of black pepper on. I don't think you can have enough, but if you don't like black pepper, put less in. Nice pinch of salt, and then that all in your jar. So that took about 45 seconds so far. Look at that, shake it up, and then it'll emulsify and do what you want to do. And then that is ready. That will sit in your jar and be fine for days and days and days and days. I'm going to put some dandelions in there now. Now that, right, because it's sweet and acidic, it goes so well with this bitter dandelion leaf. It balances out perfectly. You can still taste it, but then you get these lovely sweet and orangey notes going through it. You could eat hot salad all day. The flavour combinations you can use, like the world is literally your oyster. So this one's like a Japanesey style one. It's got white miso, a bit of sesame oil, and lime juice. I mean, you could just eat this all day, every day. It is honestly So, so good. As a snack, you know, when all the boys come over, the football's on, get out the lettuce, get out the dressings. Just dip and dine, baby. Oh, there's absolutely no reason you couldn't have 4 or 5 beautiful different dressings in your fridge to really sort of liven up your salads. You should be having salad every day in some shape or form. It's such an easy way to get something fresh and healthy into your diet. So we've got loads and loads of salad recipes on the website, so check them out and let us know what you think. I really hope you enjoyed it today. Listen to us ramble on about salad. If there's any other vegetable you'd like to see us talk about, cook or prepare, then please get in contact and let us know. Hit like, hit share, tell your friends, let us know what you think. Stay tuned for more weekly veg hacks.